Muslims getting pulled by the feds.
Weasel.
Weasel! Oh my days, man, getting pulled by the feds. ID?
Where are you from?
England.
Come here. Take it.
Wedding, huh?
Control. What is this?
What is this? Cigarettes?
Show me back. London here. Show me back. Open.
What is the problem?
No problem. It's my job.
Okay.
Okay, you can go sit.
Thank you. Why? Gora. Because we are Gora.
Special investigation.
Really? They follow us from mall. They see us from... Really?
Yes.
What's that about, man? Did they take anything from your wallet?